All right, if you're a home service contractor, you get it, right? The grind is real. You're out there winning jobs, running your business. But what about the marketing side of things? Today, we're diving into how AI can take content creation off your plate so you can get back to doing what you do best. Does this feel familiar? You're in the truck, you're on a job site, you're juggling crews, taking calls from customers, just trying to keep everything on schedule. The absolute last thing you have the time or energy for is sitting down to write a blog post, isn't it? And that really hits the nail on the head. Your job is to run a business, a successful one, not to churn out content 24/7. But, and it's a big but, you still need that content so people can find you on Google and actually become new customers. It's a real catch-22. Yeah, this is what we can call the contractor's content problem. It's that constant tug of war between managing your daily operations and creating the marketing that's supposed to fuel your company's growth. So what's the solution? Well, this is where AI content creation steps in. It's basically using this incredibly smart technology to generate all that marketing material for you. We're talking everything from blog posts to social media updates to ad copy. It's all powered by systems that actually learn about your services and can write about them in a really intelligent way. But let's get one thing straight. This is not about replacing you. Not at all. It's about giving you an assistant, a tireless assistant that can do all the heavy lifting of getting those words down on the page, freeing you up to focus on the things only you can do. And listen, this isn't just some futuristic hype. The results are already here and they're super compelling. The majority of marketers who are already using AI are seeing real, tangible benefits. You've got 58% reporting better engagement with their customers and 57% seeing direct cost savings. It's actually delivering. And on top of all that, there's a 10% average boost in productivity. Now, for a busy contractor, what does that 10% really mean? Well, it could be an extra hour back in your day to quote another job, manage a project, or hey, maybe just to switch off for a little bit. Okay, so how does this all actually work in the real world? It's definitely not about just pushing a button and letting some robot take over your marketing. No, it's a collaborative process where you are always in the driver's seat. The whole workflow is pretty straightforward, really just 4 simple steps. First, you give it the input, what services you offer, what your goals are. Second, the AI gets to work and generates a first draft, usually in just a few minutes. But this third step, this is the most important one. You review it. You add your real-world, hard-won expertise to it. And only after you've given it the green light does it get published. You're always the expert in the loop. And you can use this process for pretty much any kind of content you can think of, from super helpful blog posts like emergency plumbing tips, the exact kind of thing that gets you local search traffic, all the way to the ad copy you use on Google and Facebook. It is incredibly versatile. Okay, so saving time is great, we all want that. But let's kick this up a notch. This isn't just about efficiency. It's about using AI as a serious, strategic tool to actually go out and dominate your local market. So how does AI help with local SEO? Honestly, it's a game changer. It can figure out exactly what your local customers are typing into Google. Things like HVAC repair near me. Then it helps structure your website content, your titles, your headings, so that Google wants to rank it higher. It can even help you meet Google's tough quality standards, what they call EAT. All that means is experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness. The AI builds the framework, and you just inject your real-life experience. It's the perfect combo. And finally, it helps you see which content is actually making the phone ring. Now, I know a big worry is this going to sound like a robot wrote it? But here's the thing. Modern AI can actually be trained on your existing website content or emails. It learns your company's unique tone, so everything it creates sounds like it came from you. Your brand, your identity, it stays completely intact. Of course, this isn't some magic bullet. To get these kinds of results, you really have to use AI the smart way. And that starts with understanding very clearly what its limitations are. This right here is probably the most important thing to remember. AI can sometimes just get things wrong, and it has zero real-world experience. It has never been under a sink. It's never been on a hot roof in July. That's where you come in. Your hands-on, battle-tested experience is the secret sauce that customers actually trust. And look, this isn't just a small problem. The data shows that 43% of marketers struggle with AI spitting out inaccurate info. This is exactly why having a human, You, review and fact-check everything isn't just a good idea. It's absolutely essential to protect your reputation. So while there are definitely things to watch out for, the reality on the ground is crystal clear. This technology is being adopted right now. Your competitors are probably already using it to pump out content faster and rank higher than you. Honestly, staying on the sidelines is becoming a bigger and bigger risk every day. When you boil it all down, it comes back to this one simple, incredibly powerful formula. You take the insane speed and efficiency of AI, and you combine it with your priceless, irreplaceable expertise. That combination, that's what leads to true market domination. So, that leaves us with one final thought. This tech isn't some far-off idea for the future. It's here, and your competitors are using it right now to get ahead. The only real question left is, are you ready to use it to take the lead?